Safe drivers use several techniques to prevent collisions, including scanning the road ahead to anticipate hazards, selecting a lane with sufficient space to maneuver in case of unexpected obstacles, maintaining a safe following distance to allow for adequate stopping time, driving with headlights on during the day to increase visibility, avoiding distractions and impairments, which is the most critical crash prevention habit. In an emergency, a driver may need to quickly change speed or direction to avoid a crash. In most cases, steering is preferable to stopping, especially when stopping distance is uncertain or vehicles are close behind. Turning to avoid a crash. If there is an open area or side road, turning off the road may be an option. Avoid turning too sharply or too fast, as this could cause a rollover accident.